So there's a new meat market in town, right next to Black Rifle Coffee in Bernie on Main Street called Mainz Meat Market. And my buddy Mason is starting that with his wife, and they have a Tahoe with they cut a hole in the roof of it and put a turret in this 50 cal Deuce replica. It's not an actual Deuce, but it looks like one. You can't do this with Deuce. It's a little heavier than this one, but it's something interactive for the customers and kids to play with in the car. It's kind of neat. It goes with the whole Black Rifle thing. So we're going to take this old, nasty, rusty turd and turn it into something that is legit. So here we go. Cerakoted this in Glacier Black, and now we're going to lay the stencils, vegan negotiator, on each side of the barrel, and then we're going to put negotiations right here with some tally marks on each side. Then over here we're going to do CGC Cerakote right here on this section, and then bigger on this section where we got a little bit of a flat surface. But anyway, we're going to lay some reverse stencil and spot blast it. Since we did it in our C Series, Glacier Series Cerakote, it can take being out in the sun every day, all day. It'll be fine. And that's why we chose this series of Cerakote. Anyway, here we go. We're going to stick these on. I just got done sandblasting this, got some sand in my face. Anyway, we decided to spot blast it just to ensure that the adhesion of the second color is spot on. So I didn't film that part because we had to spot blast it, so sand kind of goes everywhere. Anyway, we got it all ready for some Cerakote. So now let's go paint it.